The planet Cronus. Beset on all sides by the tides of war, this once quiet colony became a savage battlefield. 7 armies clashed on this one world, each refusing to back down, each convinced it was in the right. From beneath the sands of Cronus' central desert came the Necrons, ancient machines bent on eradicating all life. But another evil already had its eyes on the planet. From the depths of the warp, the demonic forces of chaos arrived to enforce their claim. To oppose these fearsome powers, the planet's rulers in the Tau Empire sent their elite soldiers and sophisticated battlesuits into the fray. From the mighty Imperium of Man came the Imperial Guard, there to secure Cronus for the glory of the God Emperor. Like a green tide, the Orc horde descended on Cronus, caring little for others' claims and sowing destruction in its wake. The Eldar, ancient enemies of the Necrons, emerged from their webway to pursue their own agenda on Cronus. And last came the Space Marines, finest and most uncompromising of the Imperium's soldiers. Seeing a world beset by aliens and heretics, they undertook a great purge. A dark crusade had begun. It could only end with the total victory of one of these factions, and the total defeat of all others. The rise of the Necrons and the arrival of other powers on Cronus was a threat the Tau Empire could not ignore. With their doctrine built firmly around the so-called greater good, the Tau could not tolerate seeing a thriving colony taken away from them. The Ethereals, leaders of the Empire, responded to the distress signals from Cronus by sending some of their best and brightest to retake the world. Aunel Shiorez was among the most lauded of a new generation of the ethereal caste. He would be responsible for restoring proper order to this wayward world. With him came the military leader, Shas Okais, a student of the teachings of Commander Puretide. Okais brought a massive force of fire-caste warriors, as well as auxiliaries from the Tau's allied races, the Kroot and the Vespid. Tau ground forces landed in the city of Tashin, or Ashanis, to use its true imperial name. And from there began the crusade to retake the planet as a whole.
Welcome to the single-player campaign for Dawn of War.
Shaso, ready to take command. Prosper, as Tau shall. As the world wishes, Stelsu, send us toward the enemy. It will be ours. The technology of Tau makes us strong.
The Earth Cast will do its part.
I will lead us to victory.
Awaiting orders.
Stealth team ready for next assignment. Send us toward the enemy. It will be ours. We hunt with patience. We will take it right from under their noses. The technology of Tau makes us strong. Shazla ready for action. The target is ours.
Ready to build. I will make it so.
Point us at our targets.
Battlefield acceleration underway. Construction matrix engaged.
XP-22 battlesuit ready. Fire team deployed. This will slow the enemy. Like Tau, we shall triumph.
Service required.
Stealth team ready for next assignment. Point us at our targets.
Orders. All cranes inbound. Service required. Construction matrix engaged.
None can stand before the greater good. Commander, your time would be shall triumph.
Service required. Each cast does its part for the greater good. Each cast does its part for the greater good. Ready to build.
Another victory for the greater good. For the greater good. XP-22 battlesuit ready.
Awaiting orders. Underway. Drop cranes.
Prosper. Right now, orders received. XP-22 battlesuit ready. You shall stand against the Tau bar. Like Tau, we shall triumph. It would be an honor. Like Tau, we shall triumph. Point us at our targets. Target confirmed. Point us at our targets. Stealth team ready for next assignment. Mission accomplished. Send us toward the enemy. We will take it right from under their shadow. We shall triumph. Ready to take command.
Command.
The silent hunters are ready.
Ready to build. Drop cranes inbound. Awaiting orders.
What's our next target?
Awaiting orders. Acknowledged.
We're here to do our duty. Yes?
The banner of Tau flies high.
Drop cranes inbound.
Like Tau, we shall triumph. The target is ours. We hunt with patience. Ready for action.
Command. I will make it so. Drop cranes inbound. Construction
The
matrix
Firecast
engaged.
serves with pride.
Awaiting orders. Drop cranes inbound. Command.
What do you want?
I will lead us to victory.
Command. Construction matrix engaged. Service required. Drop cranes inbound.
Mission accomplished. Mission accomplished. Suits ready and willing.
Service required. Construction
We
matrix
hunt with
engaged.
patience. It will be ours. Stealth suits ready and willing. We will take it right from under their noses.
Get us to the
Shazla
fight.
ready for action. XP-22 battlesuit. This will slow the enemy. We shall triumph.
Service required. Underway.
The Firecast serves will lead us to victory. For the greater good.
Ready to
Stealth
build.
team ready for next assignment.
Construction matrix engaged. Construction
The
matrix
Firecast
engaged.
serves with pride. Chassot, ready to take command.
Brute, ready. Fine. We'll take it.
Send us toward
Your
the
plan
enemy.
is up. Now what?
Service required.
For the greater good.
Ready to build. Orders received. Construction matrix engaged. Drop cranes inbound.
Like Tau, the target is ours.
Awaiting orders. Orders received.
Mission accomplished.
Okay.
The Firecast serves with pride. We hunt with patience. Moving to forward positions. Jetpack engaged. They will never see us. It will be ours. Send us toward the enemy.
Command. Drop cranes inbound. Awaiting orders.
What's next? What do you want?
Stealth team ready for next assignment. The technology of Tau makes us strong. We relish the hunt. Like Tau, we shall triumph.
Get us to the fight.
Command.
They cannot hope to win.
Drop cranes inbound.
Another victory for the greater good.
I strengthen my
Ready and willing. We shall prepare an ambush from there. They will never see us. We relish the hunt. They will
I
never see
strengthen
us.
my kid.
Ready to do our part. Chateau, ready to take command. I will strike the killing blow. The silent hunters are ready. We strike from hiding. Jetpack engaged. Run silent. Moving to forward positions. Run silent. On duty. We shall prepare an ambush from there. We shall prepare an ambush from there.
Yes.
Prosper as Tau shall. Ready to do our part. Ready to do our part. Pathfinders, lead the way.
Ready to build.
We're here to do our duty.
Construction matrix engaged. Ready to build. Each cast does its part for the greater good.
They cannot hope to
Cranes
win.
inbound.
He's ready. We are the first in the field. None can stand before the greater good.
Yes.
Pull back.
I swear we'll get it done.
Pathfinders, lead the way. Duty calls. Take your time. Initial fire engaged. Whatever the greater good demands is already ours.
Awaiting orders. From cranes
You're strong.
inbound.
It'll be good to have that strength. Where are your strength ready? It'll be good to have. I swear we'll get
None can stand before the greater awakening. Let the greater take your targets. Duty calls. Don't let the prey get away. Sector fire. Stealth team ready for next assignment. Whatever the greater good demands.
Construction matrix.
I strengthen my king.
Fire team is ready. Mission accomplished. Stealth fields fully active. Breathe away.
Right.
We are the first in the field.
Yes.
Stealth fields fully active.
Service required. Each caste does its part for the greater good. Command.
Stealth fields fully active. Can't kill but you can see. We shall prepare an ambush from there. Ready to do our part. XP-22 battle tell us where it lead us.
Command. I will make it so. Construction matrix engaged.
For Tau.
Command. Stand down. Acknowledged.
Keep firing, keep firing. Just tell us where to lead us. We lead us this to victory, the enemy. XP-25 ready for action. Ready to do our part. Fire team is ready. We don't let us pray to get away. Stand before this great enemy. Fire team is ready. Just tell us where to lead us. XV-25 ready for action.
Awaiting orders. I will make it so. From
Stealth team ready for next assignment. Whatever the greater good demands. We shall prepare an ambush from there. Of course. Duty calls, shall we? On Tau!
service required.
We lead us to victory. Ready to do our part. Fire team is ready. Vanguard, XP-22 battlesuit ready. Just tell us what you want to know where I'm fighting. Just tell us where. That will lead us to victory. Whatever the greater good demands.
Drop cranes inbound. Orders. Construction.
We hunt with patience. Moving to forward positions. They will never see us. Moving to forward positions. The silent hunters are ready. Jetpack, engage. Shot count. Moving to forward positions. Prosper. That's keep firing. Just tell us where you need us. SV-25 ready for action. Another victory for the greater good. Fire! Jetpacks, fire! Whatever the greater good demands.
Command. Construction matrix engaged.
Cut them down.
Service required. Underway. Construction matrix engaged. Service required. Drop cranes. Service required. Construction matrix engaged. Awaiting orders. Drop cranes inbound.
Just tell us where. Whatever the greater good demands. XV-25 ready for action.
Awaiting orders. Construction matrix engaged.
Banish your fear. I shall guide our efforts.
XV-25 ready for action. Is ready. Yes, sir. Fire team is ready. Stealth fields fully active. Don't let the crane get away. XP-22 ready.